Hi all, welcome to my channel Tech for today. We will be discussing about containment under incident response. So what is meant by containment? It is a process of containing a system or a group of system from a network. So we all know about the 6 steps of incident response such as preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery and lessons learned. Out of this, the core and critical steps are containment, eradication, and recovery. We will be discussing about containment. So, as you will know, containment strategy are the actions taken during a cyber incident to limit the damage to a specific area or a network. If we contain a system or a group of system, the possibility of lateral movement or pivoting can be blocked to a certain extent so that the impact of the cyber incident can be limited in an organization. So there are different types of containment. Some of the important containments are physical containment, network containment, perimeter containment, and virtual containment. As name shows, physical containment. It's like for removing the cable from a system. Suppose there are two systems compromised. The easy thing that we can do is like remove the cable from the network so that the damage can be prevented or the pivoting or lateral movement can be dropped. But if we see multiple systems like around 30 plus or 50 plus systems got impacted, during that kind of scenario, removing the LAN cable is not physically practical, right? So during that kind of scenario, we require the support of network team to modify the switch configuration. So modifying the switch configuration can be done by network team so that they can limit the traffic in both direction, inbound or outbound, targeting a specific group of systems which are under a VLAN segment so that that particular VLAN can be isolated. The other important containment is perimeter containment. Once the malware got dropped, initial payload start triggering. So it will take some efforts to download the actual payload from web server, malicious web server or like that. So during that kind of scenario, if we identify the traffic which is getting targeted to a server, what we will do, we can block that particular malicious public IP, or else if we identify certain suspicious countries like Russia, Ukraine and all, during that kind of scenario, what we will do, we can block that particular geolocation in our perimeter firewall like Cisco ASA, Palo Alto, etc. And now we are mainly into cloud era, right? So during that kind of scenario, if any attacks has happened to any of the cloud instances, we can make changes in virtual switches to remove the network connectivity to the VM instances. Example like with the help of VMware EXXi platform, we can remove network connectivity from multiple instances. This is all about today's video. I hope everybody has understood the concept of containment, which is very important and a critical part of incident response. Thank you all.